drop off at a jug?
Chuck isn't here. Come on, use the new call sign.
Right. This is Strip Chicken Street calling Turbo Coach Truckzilla. Ready for practice?
You betcha, Strut. All right, buddy. I can't get stuck. Now let's start with some cornrow spreads. Drop and give me 20. Try some tree line mogul, yeah! All the way up and down.
Don't be dogging it. That's how you do it. Looking good.
Okay, adjust your angle of bank with your alien eyes.
You mean